Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Lakshmi Divya, consultant dermatologist at Dermic Skin and Hair Clinic. In this video, we are going to demonstrate a skin brightening peel which is one of the commonest peel performed at Dermic. This peel is a depth peel where it reaches the deeper layers of the skin, that is dermis, where the pigmentary cells, collagen and elastin are produced. In this peel, we use two peels which are applied in a sequential manner to get multiple benefits out of it. As you all know, during our daily life, we are exposed to sunlight and pollution, and also skin is damaged through various localized skin concerns and also internal hormonal issues, leading to acne, blemishes, dull skin, tanning, open pores, and uneven skin tone. These issues should be cleared at the earliest, which would be aggravated if not treated the early. Coming to benefits of this peel. As already spoken, this peel is a depth peel which has multiple benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties and helps in reduction of your acne, and also reduces the pigments drastically and helps you in reduction of tan, uneven skin tone and dark spots. It also helps in stimulation of collagen and elastin, and also thus it has anti-aging properties. At Dermic, before starting any procedure, a detailed and comprehensive skin analysis is done, based on which the doctor will give you a treatment roadmap for your suitable skin. Before performing any procedure, the skin is primed with topical creams for 10 days, following which the procedure would begin. At Dermic, we not only treat your visible skin damage but also treat the internal root cause to give you a permanent result. At Dermic, the procedures are done in stringent protocol and under hygienic circumstances under expert dermatologists and trained therapists. Before performing any peel procedure, a test patch is done in the post-auricular region. Coming to steps of the procedure, first step, that is cleansing and degreasing. Cleansing and degreasing of the skin is important to make sure that the skin surface is free of contamination and helps you in even distribution of the peel and absorption. The cleansing part is done. Now we are degreasing the skin. So step 2 involves applying of petroleum jelly to their sensitive areas, that is the corner of eyes, corners of the nose and corners of the lips. The eyes should be covered with wet, moist cotton pads. Now I am beginning to apply the peel. For the first 5 minutes, the patient may have mild tingling and burning sensation, which is very normal. The peel is uniformly applied to the entire skin, and a second coat is applied more on the dark spots. This peel is left over for 15 to 20 minutes, followed by neutralization. Now we are going to neutralize the first peel. Now we are applying the second peel, which is a cream-based peel. It is highly rich in vitamin A concentration. The peel is applied until the cream is absorbed into the deeper layers of the skin. The peel should be applied in a massaging manner so that it is absorbed completely and all over. This peel is left over the skin for 6 to 8 hours. Following 8 hours, the client is aligned to wash the face with cold water and apply moisturizer. This peel will have a downtime for 2 days, usually on 3rd and 4th day of the peel, where the skin starts peeling. That is, removing of your dead and damaged skin layer. The best results of the skin are seen on the day 7, which you'll have a good, glowy and radiant skin. As already discussed, it has multiple benefits in reduction of the acne, pigmentation as well as anti-aging properties. It's an half an hour time procedure with downtime of 2 to 3 days.